video we're gonna see the transistor. If the transistor is an NPN or a PNP transistor using a multimeter, you can use you can test without the multimeter also it is an NPN or a PNP transistor by using just some wires and LED and the battery. But in this case I have a multimeters to show you guys. As you can see here, which is given as NPN and a PNP emitter base collector emitter. And why given a 4 values? It depends upon you. Some transistor might be having a 4 terminals, right? So that it would be given like this. So in this case I have a 3 terminal BJT transistor, 2 and triple two a transistor. When I insert in PNP, it shows some value. If it is showing some value when I insert to the NPN or a PNP, so it says that it is in the transistor. Suppose I put this transistor to the NPN in this box, NPN box, and then it shows some value. So it says that it is an NPN transistor. When we remove that transistor and put into the PNP transistor, it does not shows any value that says that it is an NPN transistor. If it is an PNP transistor, or when we put the transistor into PNP slot, it shows some value, so that it is an PNP transistor we need to consider as. And if we remove that PNP transistor, if we insert into NPN transistor, it does not show any value. Let us see in practical how it works. So as you can see, there is I have insert NPN transistor into the slots. This is always remember guys, when the here, this is an emitter base collector. So I have inserted like this, as per the given terminals. When I insert this into the terminals, it shows some value. So it means it says that it is an NPN transistor. As you can see, 21, it shows some value, so it says that it is an NPN transistor. When I insert same transistor into this slot, it does not shows any value, so it directly says that it is an NPN transistor. Remember to put this terminal to HFE. If you want to buy the same multimeter, make sure you check the description. I've given some links so that it would redirect you to easy to buy from there. There will be no ads in my videos. Make sure you like and share my videos.